What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Cigarettes by WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's technically just kind of alternating between two different chords. As always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Starting with a B minor 7, you're going to bar the entire 7th fret with your index finger, and you're going to put your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string. Next formation is you're just taking your ring finger off and you're just barring the entire 7th fret. And then you're going to an E minor 7, which is you just keep that 7th fret barred, add your ring finger on the 9th fret of the D, and your middle finger on the 8th fret of the B. And then you will be taking that middle finger off and just ending on the entire barred 7th fret on a down strum. Now your strumming pattern for the song is going to be down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Take that ring finger off. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Go to your E minor 7. Down, 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 up, down, up. Take that middle finger off on the up strum. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and let it ring. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then, once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.